Hello, Leng.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Are you tired?
No,
Oh, no, you're not. Well, that's good to know. Can you tell me what did you do today?
today I study at home and play with my friend.
Okay, sounds fun. So let me share my screen directly. And for today, we will continue with finding and correcting the mistake. Okay, so let us start that right away with item one. What is your answer here?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. What is
my
your
city is the
is it? Can you find and
the
correct the mistake?
mistake.
Yes. What is the
The
mistake here?
mistake is the mistake is the does.
Okay,
The
so
right answer is.
okay, yes, very good, Lang. That is correct. So, is your city popular with tourists? Now, what about for the second one? Winter in our city has absolutely freezing.
The mistake is has
Okay, it should be.
is.
Okay, very good. Now, what about for three?
The
My
mistake is am. The mistake is I'm.
okay,
Right answer is are.
okay, yes, very good. So it should be my family and I are going, not I am going. What about for four?
The more form is the mistake is seems. The right answer is seem.
Okay, just seem. What about for five?
The mistake is. Right answer is has.
Okay, yes, that has amazing views. What about for six?
The mistake is seat. Right answer is sitting.
Okay, very good. What about for seven now?
Um, Mistake is four. The right answer is in.
Okay, and for the last one?
The mistake is have. Right answer is has.
Okay, well done. Thank you so much for that, Lang. Now, let us proceed to exercise six. We'll talk about these given questions. Can you tell me what do you like about your neighborhood?
I like I like my neighborhood because it's funny and busy.
Okay. Where do you live, by the way? Where do you
I
live? Do you
live I live in Hanoi.
Oh, okay, indeed. A very crowded and busy city in Vietnam. What part of your city would you like to live in?
I want to live in I want to live in the center.
The city center or the middle of or the center of
With
Vietnam?
the middle of the city
Oh, okay. Why?
because it's very funny and interesting.
It's very funny. What makes it funny, Leng?
Because it's busy and has many shops.
Oh, okay. I see. So it's not funny. Do you know what it means when we say funny?
It is very happy
Ah, okay. Yes. So it makes us laugh or it makes us happy. Now, can you tell me what is your city like in spring and summer? What season is it now in Vietnam, Lang? Is it summer now?
in summer. Yes, it's summer.
What's the weather like
In
today?
today is hot and rainy
Oh, okay. Same here in the Philippines, Lang. I see. So, can you tell me what is your city like in summer?
in summer is hot and sunny.
I see. Would you rather live in a hot or cold country?
I live in I
I
don't
want.
I want to live in the hot country
Okay. Thank you so much. Can you tell me why?
because I can
You can.
because I can sleep in because I can live in air conditioner and it's
Oh,
clean.
oh no, but I think the electricity in Vietnam, Lang, is expensive. Okay, so
Yeah.
now can you? Yes, I think so. What are your favorite things to do in winter? What are your favorite things to do in winter? In Hanoi, it doesn't have snow only in Mount Fansipan, but what do you like to do in winter?
I like to stay at home and read books in winter.
Oh, so you love reading books. Can you tell me what is your favorite story? What is your favorite story, Lang?
My favorite story is Harry Potter.
Oh, have you watched the movie itself?
No, I read book.
Oh,
I don't watch movie.
okay. I see. Can you tell me who is your favorite character? Or why do you like Harry Potter?
I like Harry Potter because it's
Yes.
is interesting and is interesting and attractive.
Oh, okay. I see. And gripping as well, I think. What's the coldest place you've been to?
The coldest place I have been to is but in winter I always stay at home. I
What about now? It is summer break.
and
Are you going to travel?
I go in spring. I go to my grandparents' house.
Have you been to other countries, Leng? Have you traveled to maybe China, Thailand?
No, I travel to place in Vietnam.
Okay, just places in Vietnam. What is the most beautiful place in Vietnam you have been to?
Is Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, Ho Chi Minh. But Ho Chi Minh is more crowded than Hanoi, right?
Yes,
Because it is the biggest city in Vietnam. Okay, now what places in your city would you take a tourist and why? If I will go,
I
I'll go to
I
Vietnam,
will
Leng. Where
go.
will you take me?
I will go to Hồ Gươm Lake.
Oh, One Cum Lake.
Hồ Gươm
Okay, why?
because it's a famous lake in Hanoi.
I see. And what about when it comes to food? What is the popular food in Hanoi?
It's pho.
It's really And is your favorite food pho?
Yes.
I see. Okay, now, what other activities in your city would you recommend to a tourist?
I want to travel Japan.
Okay, but what about to a tourist, Lang? What would you recommend to a tourist to do in Vietnam?
Bạn còn có thể gợi ý những hoạt động nào khác ở thành phố của mình cho khách du lịch tham gia không?
I recommend to the is try it the popular food in Vietnam or take photo.
Okay, well, Vietnam offers a lot of delicious food, so it's a great place to visit, especially for foodies. Now, let us proceed to lesson 66. So, can you tell me what's the best vacation you've had? What's the best vacation you've had?
The best vacation I had is in last year.
Oh, why? Where did you go and what did you do?
I go to
I went.
Ho Chi Minh City, and to place order.
What about this year? Are you going to other places, maybe in Da Nang?
No,
Okay, no. So now let us proceed to exercise 1. Where would you like to go on your next vacation?
The next vacation, go. I want to go Changhua City.
Okay. What will you do there, Lang?
I go to the beach.
Oh, okay, so you want to go to the beach, especially it's really hot now. Okay, now let us proceed to exercise 2 vocabulary. Can you tell me what it means when we say cramp?
Cramped.
Cramped, not cramped.
Cramp.
What is it?
Cramp.
Can you define it, Leng? Can you
I
define it?
don't,
Do you know what it means?
I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say cramped, it means it is small in a way that is uncomfortable, okay? Too small without enough space. So, in short, it is crowded. Okay, now next one we have elegant.
Really good.
What is elegant?
Is two people is very polite and sassy.
Okay, so when we say elegant, it means it is graceful and stylish. So basically, beautiful, Leng, beautiful. She came to the party in an elegant dress. Okay, what about luxurious?
I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say luxurious, it is the same as expensive. Do you know the word expensive?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me what it means now when we say luxurious then?
Is where the person is very, very rich. Rich.
Mhm. Very rich. Okay. So when we say luxurious, Lang, it means it is expensive and of very high quality, of course. Okay. So very comfortable and high quality. Now, what about modern?
Is opposite of ancient.
Okay, yes, that is correct. It is the opposite of ancient because when we say modern, it is new or up to date. What about grubby?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say grubby, like, it means it is covered with dirt or mud. So it means it is dirty or messy, not clean. Okay, it's not clean. Like my kids always have such grubby hands, dirty hands. Now, what about budget?
Is the is the data of money.
Okay, yes. talking about money that is not expensive, okay, low cost. Okay, so that is it. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class tonight. Lang and Teacher Mary will continue the rest next meeting. Thank you so much and have a great night. Goodbye, Lang.
Good night, teacher.